something a little bit different. I'll show you in a second. We're getting a Christmas tree. What day is it? The 20th? Oh boy. Oh, guess we're going forward. So my stack keeps falling. The self-tappers that we put in it to hold it.
We're supposed to be temporary.
Yeah.
And then we ended up just leaving it.
So yeah, it keeps going like bleh, bleh.
Very funny.
Yeah. It's just God, what is that word called?
The temporary setback.
Is it still a pavement, princess? I'm in the grass. I don't know, guys.
Pretty sure this isn't a mall.
This is hardcore off-roading.
This is a weird.
Change my mind.
Mall.
Yeah, this is. What kind of mall is this? Huh.
There you go.
Where is he going? Ooh! I like the one over there. This one. He said bye. He's gonna pee on all of them.
Yeah, that's fine. A little bigger than the other one, that's alright.
Yeah, it's not as big as the other one.
My tailbone, actually. It's kind of like at the very bottom, close to the bottom, and then we need to trim it again.
Come on. Strong man. Yay!
Lumberjack.
Lumberjack.
That might have been the quickest we've ever found a tree.
Oh yeah. Well, because we aren't looking for a big honking one this year, so.
And then Capone stick.
Capone! Capone! Come here, buddy.
Look what I found!
Come here. Here he comes. Hey, look. Stick. Delicious. Gourmet meal.
We should have just let Capone cut down the tree.
Yeah, we should have let Capone cut down the tree, Dad. It's going in my truck. Yep. Content. Oh, she was gonna maybe, but I got them. Doing it this way or this way?
Oh, just lean it towards the stack. Perfect. Oh damn, the sun looks good on the truck. Alpha tail lights. We should get you a hitch step, the Gen Y step.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell her to sponsor me.
Tell them to sponsor you. Hey Gen Y, we need a hitch.
Yeah.
Christmas tree mudding. Dude, what the heck? Where's a weird mall? Why does mall have mud? That's pretty out. What was that?
The mall really needs to fix this pavement.
Yeah, it's really uneven. I don't like it at all.
Gabe Pro Practice didn't do this concrete.
Yeah, I didn't do the concrete because if I did it, it would be flat.
They're gonna see my truck and be like,
We just washed it.
hopefully it didn't get all over the tree.
Oh, is the tree covered in mud?
I got stuck, so I had to rev it a little bit.
Yeah, that's
They can't get mad at me.
They definitely, you didn't mean to do that. Or this.
Clearly in the middle, like I couldn't avoid it.
Yeah.
So
We had to go through it.
it was mandatory.
So. Oh. Lacey would be proud.
She would. I have come out here to assess the damage with my friend Phil.
That's a lot of damage.
Okay. So we got some mud on the hood, a little bit on the windshield, on the mirrors. That's a given. None on the wheels. Interesting. Oh. I like when my truck's dirty. I know like a lot of people are like, clean your truck, like it's dirty, it's gonna ruin it, blah, blah, blah. I think it looks cool. And I just washed it. Probably like 2 hours ago, I just washed this thing. We come over here and bingo. I haven't been able to take this thing mudding in a while. We had a pretty dry summer. Pretty sure this side has nothing. Yeah, this side really not even dirty. Maybe a little bit, but oh, you know, no biggie. All right. Thank you for watching. I know this video was a little bit more different than what we're usually doing, but figured I hadn't seen a lot of people doing like holiday videos in the truck community, and I wanted to just, you know, say Merry Christmas. Probably not Christmas when I upload this, but you know, happy early Christmas. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Weep weep.